The latest jobs report is painting a grim picture on the economic damage of the coronavirus pandemic. As ABC's Andrew Dimbert reports, the unemployment rate has spiked to 4.4%.
For the first time in a decade, job growth in the U.S. comes to a grinding halt as the coronavirus crisis is devastating the job market. The latest figures from the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows the unemployment rate rose to 4.4% in March, the same month the pandemic began closing businesses all across the country. In February, unemployment was at a 50-year low.
It is possible that it's temporary. They let me know that the ultimate goal is to have everyone that was laid off come back at a later date.
701,000 U.S. jobs were lost in March. The sectors bearing the brunt of it, hospitality and leisure, especially the food and drinking services industries.
I don't really have a steady source of income right now.
Even with the surge in unemployment, financial analysts say the real impact is likely far worse, as most of the nearly 10 million people who filed jobless claims the last 2 weeks weren't included in Friday's report.
The question is really, when will unemployment claims start to moderate? And to what level will they slow down?
In an effort to curb the financial pain caused by COVID-19, another massive federal relief bill could be in the works. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi telling CNBC she's hoping for more bipartisan legislation on a fourth economic relief package.
I'd like to go right back and say, let's look at that bill, let's update it for some other things that we need.
Adding another layer of confusion, the rift between states and the federal government. The Trump administration changing language on the Health and Human Services website about the federal stockpile of medical supplies and providing that stockpile to the states. But after Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner contradicted that claim and criticized states for not building up their own stockpiles, the website was changed.
So we're encouraging the states to make sure that they're assessing the needs, they're getting the data from their local situations, and then trying to fill it with the supplies that we've given them.
Meanwhile, here in the nation's capital, the president still refuses to issue a nationwide stay-at-home order to slow the spread of the coronavirus. But at least 45 states have ordered that all non-essential businesses be closed. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, Washington.